Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Today we're going to find out. Falling into a black hole is one of the most mysterious and extreme scenarios in the universe. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. To truly understand what would happen to you, we need to take a journey beyond our own planet and delve into the heart of a black hole. As you approach a black hole, you will be met with an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. This is the point of no return, the threshold into the unknown. Once you cross this boundary, there is no turning back. Escape becomes physically impossible, no matter how much you struggle or how fast you move. For a very large black hole, you might not even notice crossing the event horizon at first. That's because it has no distinct physical features. You wouldn't feel anything unusual or see any dramatic sights. The only indication that you've entered the danger zone is a subtle shift in the background light, as the stars around you seem to disappear one by one, leaving you in an eerie darkness. But it's only a matter of time before the full force of the black hole as gravity makes itself felt. At this point, you would begin to experience something called spaghettification. This occurs because the gravitational pull of the black hole is not uniform. It's stronger at your feet than your head. Imagine being stretched and pulled in opposite directions, like spaghetti strands being yanked from both ends. Your body would be stretched and distorted into a thin noodle-like shape. As you get closer and closer to the center of the black hole, the gravitational forces would increase dramatically until they are thousands, if not millions times greater than the Earth's gravity. At this point, your body would be completely crushed and compressed, and you would cease to exist as we know it. But what about time? How would it be affected by the intense gravity of a black hole? Here's where things get really weird. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is relative, and it is affected by gravity. From the perspective of an outside observer, you would appear to freeze near the event horizon. This means that from their viewpoint, you would seem to stop moving altogether just before you disappear into the black hole. Meanwhile, for you, time would continue to pass normally. This creates a situation where the observer sees you approaching the black hole, but never actually falling in. It's as if you were trapped in a state of suspended animation, forever hovering at the edge of the black hole. However, once you cross the event horizon and begin to fall, time for you would continue to pass normally. But what would you experience as you fell? Unfortunately, we can't say for sure because once you cross the event horizon, there is no way to send information back to the outside world. The only thing we know is that as you approach the center of the black hole, the gravitational forces would become increasingly stronger until they utterly crushed you. At the very center of a black hole lies a point known as the singularity. This is where gravity and density become infinite, and our current understanding of physics breaks down. We simply do not know what happens beyond this point. Some theories suggest that you would be completely crushed into a tiny point, while others propose that you would be scattered into a two-dimensional surface. These are just speculations, however, and the truth may be far more bizarre than anything we can imagine. In conclusion, falling into a black hole is a journey into the unknown, a voyage beyond the boundaries of our current understanding of the universe. While we can make some predictions about what might happen, the reality is that we simply do not know what lies beyond the event horizon. It's a place where the rules of physics as we know them no longer apply, a true mystery at the heart of a cosmic abyss. What do you think would happen if you fell into a black hole? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos of Cosmos in a minute.